Our very own send-off party.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
I feel like a QE2. You've got boats following us out. Yeah, it's very lekker. Eh?
Africa, here we come.
Been a fantastic stay. Thank you very much.
I will be back again someday. How cool is that, eh? Come say goodbye. Well, you got some crazy friends there.
Yeah, I know.
And it's a beautiful morning. Made some amazing friends here and a little bit sad to leave, but I know we're going to see them all again sometime. Yeah, and off we go. New adventures await.
Sad about leaving it today.
Such beautiful people there. But hopefully we're going to meet some new people. And we might even see Marcus Tremaine with the two boys and Comores. Yeah. But it is quite sad. Next stop, Inyambai. Where's that? Mozambique. You see, we really like to go to Mozambique.
Where the beers are cold and the prawns are warm. Hot.
Sweet.
Sweet. Spicy. Something like that, I don't know.
We're heading out and we're waiting for the southerly to come and join us. It's a little bit light right now, but hopefully it'll be good. Give us a bit of a push up so we can get past the current as well. And then we're expecting, what, 24 hours I think of maybe motoring. Hopefully not. And then the wind's going to turn to southeast, which will be a nice beam reach. And yeah, that I think is about 17 knots. So all in all, forecast says really nice sailing, and we'll see how we go. In your party, how we come. And we've got some mates there too, so I'm so excited. I really am, but I'm sad, but I'm excited.
Just permission to exit the harbour, over. We're going to the Comore Islands. I think she's checking our flight plan. Either that or she's forgotten about us.
What's happening there, Robin?
She's putting the pole the wrong side. And the water balls over the flipping winch. Tell you, lucky my skipper didn't see this.
Got to retie the jerry cans because I'll show you why.
Dumbass, yeah.
Wait, I'll show you why. I got to show you why. No. And now somebody's phoning us. Ish, no. Okay, so I'll tell you why. Because we realized that, look here.
Canoe go.
Oh dear. Fun and games. And we've only gone just about an hour after we left. Okay, go.
Are you ready?
My favorite part. Let's do it.
How do you do it again?
You just switch it off. Come on.
You push this one, yeah.
Push a button. Push. And then turn the key. That is my favorite part. Switch the motor off. All good.
sail attachments to the car that runs in the track had come off. See the gaping hole there. So I went and had a look at it. I climbed up on the masthead. There's a pin that sits in the car that sail attaches to, like that. The pin had fallen out. So obviously the little bolt that holds it in place worked its way loose and it had fallen out, and so it parted. And while I'm there looking, I look on the sail, balancing on the folded sail is the pin. So I'm really happy that I found this. So scratched around and found a little bolt that matches the thread. That does match the thread. So I should be able to fix it. So I'm going to climb up there now and see what we can do. And meanwhile, there's humpback whales breaching behind us. Over there is the Botalia Point or Bangor Neck. Other side of the hill is Cozy Bay. Flippin' beautiful part of the world this. Beautiful part of the world when your sail's fixed and working nicely. We'll hopefully sort that out now. Coffee first. Open up the synapses. The pins come out, so you should be able to insert it. We'll see now. Don't want to drop this. We're going to hoist the main now and just check if it's working, but yeah, it's working good.
Well done.
I found my bag of tricks where I found the bolt. Yeah. Playing cat and mouse with the current. We go out there, the wind is stronger. And we're going. But we're not really going because of the current. So then we come closer in where there's less current. However, there is also less wind. So like outside, inside, cat and mouse. Here's our track here. We started out in Richards Bay. We've sailed yesterday up the coast here and through the night. And we're right now by Cozy Bay, which is just before Ponta de Oro, Mozambique. So that's where we are now. And then we're going to head across from Ponta de Oro. We're going to head across to here, across to there, and then make our way to Nyamba. The reason why we come all the way up the coast here is because of the current. So the current runs strongly down there, so we get up past the worst of it, and then we cut across on the inside of the current, and then up to Nyamba. So that's the plan. We're motor sailing at the moment, and I think we're going to be doing that for some time still, because it'll take a while before we get into the southeast trade winds. and then we'll be sailing on a beam reach. Hopefully be sailing on a beam reach all the way to Indian Bar.
Yeah.
More than one there. Oh, it's a Dorado.
Oh, Dorado. Oh, did you lose it?
It's an absolutely beautiful day. Robin's out on deck. He's doing whale lookout for us. There's been so many humpback whales around here. Yeah, they're all heading up north to the warmer climates. So yeah, you got to watch out for them, and they've been around. But how beautiful is this? And Moya is listening to music and reading a book at the same time. I don't know how you get to do that. Beautiful day, hey Moy?
Yeah.
You know what makes it even better? I've been feeling really, really good. So, very stoked about that. Feeling awesome. And? Yeah? Nice and hot? Oh.
So Moya Truth, how's your trip going?
Fun.
Fun? What are you eating?
Lots of
You lucky fish.
leisure.
And what are you reading?
McCain Chronicles.
The Cane Chronicles, show me. Is that the Cane Chronicles?
Yeah.
Mm.
Part of Percy Jackson.
Aha! I know Percy Jackson. I believe your cat's enjoying this trip too.
She's actually okay.
So Midnight is locked away in the cabin because she has a tendency to, she's a clumsy cat. She has a tendency to fall overboard. So we lock her in the cabin, and she normally gets seasick, which she was for the first day, and now she seems to be feeling a little perky, which is fantastic. We're going to have a check on her now. Midnight, how are you, my girlie? Oh, there you are. How are you feeling? Are you feeling good? Eh? Normally you're hiding under the covers, so that's a good thing. That you're sitting here and you're not under the covers. Oh, camera shot. Is that right? Cool. And Mom,
Hello.
how are you enjoying the trip?
It's lovely.
It's lovely.
Yeah, no, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's good. I've been feeling good, actually. I've been having good naps,
Good naps.
sleeping on the couch, lights out.
No
Very nice.
No seasick.
No.
At this point.
I don't want to speak too soon.
Yeah.
But I think I may have found my thing.
Your thing.
My thing.
Show me your thing.
My medicine.
Medicine is the bomb.
Okay. Well, for me,
Yeah.
that's my thing. You know, I've tried everything else and it hasn't worked. And this stuff so far for the past 3 or 4 trips, I think,
lovely afternoon sunset.
And it makes such a difference if you're not feeling cuck. You're actually enjoying sailing.
Yeah,
really enjoy
huge
it.
difference, eh?
Yeah. Except if I carry on like this, I'm going to be fat and happy by the time I get there. I
Well,
just
it's
keep
medi-
snacking. I'm really like, nom, 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 nom. Yeah.
Instead of throwing it out, you're throwing it in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway,
cool, man.
that's good. And how much longer have we got to go, Stop?
About 55 days. Not counting.
Probably about 1.5 days, hopefully, then we get to New
At 8 o'clock tonight, if all goes well, 8 o'clock tonight we'll be halfway.
And then 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, Robin says the southeast will start